To send cryptocurrency from the Ethereum network to the Binance Smart Chain, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to understand the basics of both networks. The Ethereum network is a decentralized platform that enables the creation of smart contracts and decentralized applications, while the Binance Smart Chain is a fast and low-cost blockchain platform developed by Binance. The first step is to set up a wallet that supports both Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. MetaMask is a popular choice, as it allows you to interact with both networks. Download and install the MetaMask extension on your browser. Then create a new wallet and make sure to save your seed phrase. Next, you need to add the Binance Smart Chain network to your MetaMask wallet. To do this, click on the MetaMask icon. Then click on Add Network, and enter the Binance Smart Chain details. The network name is Binance Smart Chain. The RPC URL is https://bsc-dataseed.binance.org. The chain ID is 56, and the currency symbol is BNB. After setting up your wallet, you need to obtain the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, such as Ethereum or a token based on the Ethereum network. You can buy it from a cryptocurrency exchange or receive it from someone else. Make sure you have enough Ethereum in your wallet to cover the transaction fees. Now you are ready to bridge your cryptocurrency from the Ethereum network to the Binance Smart Chain. You can use a cross-chain bridge such as the Binance Bridge or a decentralized exchange like Curve. The Binance Bridge allows you to transfer assets between different blockchain networks, including Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. To use the Binance Bridge, go to the Binance website, click on the Bridge tab, and select the asset you want to transfer. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Then click on Transfer. You will be prompted to confirm the transaction on your MetaMask wallet. Once the transaction is confirmed, the Binance Bridge will handle the transfer of your assets from the Ethereum network to the Binance Smart Chain. This process may take a few minutes, depending on the network congestion and the speed of the bridge. After the transfer is complete, you can verify that your assets have been transferred successfully by checking your MetaMask wallet or the Binance Smart Chain Explorer. Make sure to check the transaction fees and the amount of assets you received, as there may be some slippage or fees associated with the transfer. In conclusion, transferring cryptocurrency from the Ethereum network to the Binance Smart Chain requires setting up a wallet that supports both networks, obtaining the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, and using a cross-chain bridge to transfer your assets. Always make sure to follow best practices, such as verifying the transaction fees and the amount of assets you received, and using reputable bridges and exchanges to minimize the risk of errors or scams.